What's up, everybody? My name is Lieu. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to install Badgar Discord API and Badgar Ace Perms. So to do this, you will have to have a 5M server already finished, like this. It should look like this. You should not have nothing in it. It should just be Catcha, Citizen, Crashes, DB, Resources. Now, some people will not have DB. I know they won't all have DB. This is just your crash logs, kind of. It just tells you like the logs and stuff. It's a lot. I know a lot of people can't read it because, like, look at all this. I mean, I understand it, but not a lot of people do. So that's it. So first you're gonna open your resource file. Now make sure you have game modes, gameplay, local, manager, system, test, mysync, the ASIC, and vmenu. Now vmenu you might not have if you have QB core, stuff like that. You won't have vmenu. Now if your CFG might not be in here. This is what your CFG should look like. You should have stuff like this. We're gonna delete this because I'm showing you guys how to do it. So it's an old server I used to own. So this is what you want. This is like literally everything you should have. You should have all these. You might not have ensure menu because you might not have a menu. So let's get right into it. So I'm gonna drag over here and I'm gonna drag over here. Now that we have that, it's gonna be as easy as this. Now this will all be linked in the description, easy for you guys to do. So first we're going to want to start off by creating a new application. Discord Developer Portal should be the first link in there. New application. Now you can name this whatever. I'm going to name this Discord Ace. Or you can't put Discord. Do not put Discord in it. It doesn't let you. So we're going to use a different name. We're going to use YouTube Test 2. We're going to click, you can read the developer terms of service and the developer policies. So you're going to click create. Now make sure you click the check mark, click create. Now, first you're going to want to go over to bot. Go to build a bot, click add bot, and you're going to click yes to it. As easy as that. So like I said, you're going to start off here, go to bot, do add bot, click yes to it. Now, once this pops up, it's going to say build a bot, stuff like this. Now, warning, when you copy your token and you decide to exit out of the page, the token is gone. You will have to reset your token, so do not, I repeat, do not copy your token now. First, you're going to go to OAuth 2, then you're going to go to URL generator. Now, URL generator is like how you invite your bot. So, this is how you generate your link. So you're first going to go to bot. Now you're going to scroll down until you find administrator right here. You're going to click administrator, so bot, then administrator. Now you're going to scroll down all the way to the bottom and you're going to see generated URL. Now, click copy. This is why I said do not copy the bot token. Now, you're going to open a new tab and you're going to right click. You're going to go down to paste. You're going to click enter. Now, this is how you invite your bot to your server. So invite it to the right server, YouTube Ace Perms. We're going to click that. Now, it's going to say create commands to the server. This is not going to be checked because it's just something Discord does. So you're going to click continue. If you don't want him to have administrator, the bot ain't going to work, unfortunately. So click authorize. I am human. Now, if you go to your Discord server, easy, right here. He's right here. Awesome. So, we have YouTube Test 2 in here. Now that we have YouTube Test 2, we're going to go to our server.cfg. Not our server.cfg. We're going to go to our server settings, and we're going to go to roles. Now, create a role here. You're going to create a name, whatever. So mine's called owner. Second one will be called deputy owner, I guess. Next one will be called test 1. Just stuff like that. And you can click save. Now you're going to go down here to user settings. It's going to go be right here, right next to the little tab here. And you're going to click user settings. Now, you're going to find where it says advanced. Click advanced. You're going to scroll down until you find advanced. Go to developer mode. Turn that sucker on. You have to have that on to do this. You have to. Now that we have that, we're going to take a break from Discord stuff for now. Now that we have this, we can exit out of this. Keep this up. Keep this up. Keep this up. Do not close out of this just yet. So, now, first we're going to be downloading Badgar Discord API. You're going to go to the link in the description. This will be the second link down there. You're going to go to code. You're going to go down to download zip. So easy. You're going to go to the link in the description. You're going to go to code. And you're going to click download zip. It should pop up like this. It should pop up right here at your top loads. Then you go to Discord Ace Perms, third link in the description. You're going to go to code, download. Now they should both be right here. I want you to keep Discord Ace Perms open. You're feel free to close Badger Discord API. Now, Badger Discord Ace Perms is different. So, we're going to open Badger Discord API. Now, right when we open this, right when you open Badger Discord API, you're going to double click. So, you're going to go like this. Don't double click, I'm sorry. Just highlight it, and then, so you're going to exit. You're going to make sure this is not blue. You're going to click once. You're going to wait a couple seconds, then click twice. Now, it should pop up. You're going to click your arrow one time. Click your right arrow one time. And then you're going to delete this dash main. You don't want the main in there because it won't work. Now, we're going to pull up our servers.cfg right here. And then we're going to drag this over here. And we're going to simply just drag it over here. Just like this. It's in the server now. But it's not insured right. So, we're going to create a new folder. You don't have to do this. I'm going to do it though. Just because people do like to be a little petty. We're going to rename this, and we're going to do Badger. Now this is like all our Badger information will be at Badger Ace Rive, stuff like that. So we're going to highlight this like this, or you can just left click and you're going to drag that into the move to Badger. Now it's in there. Now we no longer need this. Now when you do open this, you will have to be opening this with like an opener. So it can't just be like a normal opener. Now, it can be WinRAR, WinZip, stuff like that. 7-zip. So you're going to go to the same thing. You're going to do the same thing to Discord Ace Perms. You're going to click once and make sure it's highlighted and click twice. Go to master. Now you're going to do dash master, and you're going to get rid of that too. So there's going to be dash main and dash master. Get rid of both of them. Now we're going to exit out of this, or you can open your file easily. You're going to click this, make sure it's highlighted blue, and you're going to drag and drop that into the folder. Now these both are in here. They're not insured just yet. Now, we're going to set up Badger Discord API first. Okay? Now, as easy as this. You're going to click in the folder. There's client. Config is what you want. It might say config.lua. I'm editing this with Notepad++, not regular Notepad. So, you can go to configuration right here. It's not going to say configuration. It's going to say configure. I'm going to full screen. I'm going to open this. Full screen. Now, this is what you're going to want to do. This will be the stuff you want to have to do. So, like I said, developer mode has to be enabled. You're going to go to settings, advanced, developer mode on. Now, to get your guild ID, you're going to go to the server you're using that your bot is, and you're going to right click. You're going to go over and you're going to go down to copy ID. This is going to be your guild ID for your server. Now, we're going to go in between right here. Oh, there we go. That's a lot better. We're going to go in between right here. And we're going to go between the little red dots here. Yours might not have a color. But you're going to right click, paste. Now, this is your guild ID. This is your server. This should be set to ID to guild or primary guild if using multi-glide. So, now you're going to click Control S. Easy. Just click Control S. Now, we're going to get our bot token. This is where you're going to want to open your Discord developer portal. Again, like I said, do not close it. Go to bot. Go scroll up. You don't want to view the token. Now, if you share this token with somebody, they have full access to your bot. They can access it and everything. So we're going to click copy token. It says copied. We're going to go to our server here. Or not our server, but we're going to go to the notepad that we're using. That has like our Discord API. And now, you're going to go to the bot token right here. You're going to go in between the two dots here. And you're going to click right on your mouse and click paste. Now, click Control S. How do you know it saves? If you are using regular Notepad, it will look like this. So it's gonna be like, it's gonna say your file name right here like this, and it's gonna say like Notepad, just like this. Here, let me scroll in. Notepad, and then it's gonna be like a hashtag. Now when you click save, when you click Control S, that little dot's gonna go away. That means it's saved. Make sure that goes away. Now for this, if I click this, it's gonna show the little hashtag at the front. It might show it at the front. I'm not 100% sure. I haven't used regular Notepad in ages. So you have these. Make sure you click Control S when you put in your bot token. Guild ID, click Control S, then do bot token, Control S. Now you can wait until the end until you click Control S, but if you do end up exiting out of Notepad on accident, it's not gonna save. Now you're gonna click Enter 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna go up arrow 1, 2, 3, and you're gonna go space until you get right past the T over here. Now this is what you want to do. You're gonna do this right here. Now follow my format here. Follow this right here. I'm gonna get really close here. Okay, we're gonna go like this. We're gonna do this, and then we're gonna here. I'm not sure what these are called. But you're gonna go like this, and then you're gonna do the role that you want this to be called. It's not gonna show in game, but it's gonna be your permission. So let's say I want to do owner. I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna go like this. And then I'm going to click the equals. Do not do any spaces. Do not do spaces. Do not do spaces. Do not do spaces. It's not going to work. Now, you have this. This is easily done. Now that you have the space, you're going to go to your Discord, server settings, roles. Now go to that role that you added, that you make. So if it's at the top of the role list, it's so where the role is, it's not going to matter what the permissions is. So like, let's say the role is down here. It doesn't matter. The permissions are still going to be the same if you configure it like that. You're going to go, you right click, copy ID. Now, you go to the right in front of the equal sign, and you're going to click, right click, paste. Now, it might look like there's a space there, and if there is, just delete it. Now, we're going to click enter, and you're just going to, if you're using regular Notepad, it's not going to automatically do it. That's why I use Notepad++. Now that you have that, you're going to click space a whole bunch of times again. You're going to do the same thing. So I'm going to do deputy owner. Now, when I use owner, I usually have a role at the top that says ownership team, and it has like all the roles. So we're going to do moderator, or mod, I guess, but we're going to do moderator here. And we're going to do this and this. We'll do equal sign. We're going to go to the Discord, and we're going to create a new role called moderation, or moderator, whatever you guys want to do. Name whatever. It doesn't have to be the exact same as the server here, so I can name this owner 1, and I can put this as owner, and it's as easy as that. Now you're going to click save changes, go here, copy ID, go here, paste it. Now make sure you put a comma at the end. I forgot to do that. Put a comma at the end when you do it. Then you're going to click enter. Let's add another one. We'll do member, like this, equals, go to server, critical member, go here. Make sure you click save before you copy ID. Then do copy ID, paste it in there, then comma. That's it. That's really it, guys. It's as easy as that. Now that we have these done, now we're going to go over to down here. Now this is going to be your Discord link. Now make sure you have your heading 1 as your server name. You don't have to, but I usually do. So Cyberstate Roleplay, we'll just do that, or we'll do Lieu's development server. I'm not going to be loading into the server today because I'm not installing any permissions. You got to look up a video. Heading 2, you can put it as like, make sure your website thing. Discord, easily. Go to Discord, exit out of this, go here, invite people. Make sure your link is not 7 days, it will expire. Make sure you go to 7 days, click never, generate a new link, click copy, and then we're going to go right here, and we're going to highlight all this, and we're going to click, you can click Control V if you want. Now that is done, we're going to click save. This is it. We're done. We're done with Badger Discord API. That's it. It's literally it. Now, I have Notepad++, which means that it's different than anything else you would use, just because if I open a new thing, it's just going to pop up here. If you use Notepad, you can have two things open at the same time. So, now that we have this, we can easily go to our server. You can go back, Discord Ace Perms. If you have the main, it's not going to work. I'm bugging you guys about that, because if you have the main, it's not going to work. Get rid of the main. So it will originally look like this. It's going to look like main like this. You're going to delete all that. You don't need that. You just want Discord Ace Perms, Badger underscore Discord underscore API. Now go to Badger Ace Perms, hit Fig. Now, as you can see, it looks a little different, right? Now this is the main thing. You have to be right on this. Now this is practically done for you, which is awesome. This is why I love Badger, because he does stuff for you too. So, now that we have this, we can change our server name. Feel free to change it whatever. Lieu's test development. It doesn't have to be the same. Now, we're going to click save, because I changed something. And we're going to go to our Discord server. This is the fun part. I love doing Discord Ace Perms. It's my favorite thing to do. I'll just teach you guys now. Roles. We're going to go to owner. Click right click. Copy ID. We're going to paste. We're going to double click here. And then we're going to click. We're going to right click here. Paste. Group.owner. Now, group.owner is how you give them the permissions. So, if I wanted to give them 5 permissions, I would do add underscore ace. It would be like commands allow, group.owner, principal allow. That's it. Now you have the permissions. I'll show you guys how to do that in the next video. Now, we're going to go to deputy owner. We're going to right click on deputy owner, copy ID, paste it here. We'll do deputy owner. Now, if you do end up running out of space here, it's easy. Just go like this. Go here. You're going to grab the ID, so we'll do moderator. Paste it here, comma. We'll do group.moderator. Hold on, guys. I'm a little scuffy today. Sorry. Moderator. End it off with this. End it off with this, and we're done. That's a whole nother one. Now, to get rid of some, you just easily go here. And it's easy as that. You just delete it. It's not going to affect anybody or you. Now, why did I say keep Discord Ace Perms open, guys? Because you guys have to do something. We're done with this. We don't need Badger Discord Ace Perms or Badger API anymore. We're done. This is done. Now, we're going to go to our server.cfg. We're going to open our server.cfg right here. And then we're going to go to Badger. And we're going to click. And we're going to, so you can easily do this by right clicking. You're going to click. Geez, how do you do it? How do you edit it? I think it's. Okay, so I have Windows 11, so you're going to go here. Or you can just click once. Wait a second. Click twice. And it will copy. So now you're going to go here. Go to copy. Go to the server right here. And then you're going to do. So some people do start and then this. But my server has to be ensure and then this. And now once you save this, it's easily running. That's it. That's all you got to do. Now, like I said, this is going to be in the link in the description because I did have a hard time finding this. Actually, it took me like 5 minutes to find. So this will be in the description. You're going to go to the top of your server. Has to be the very top. Now it's going to look something like this first. Then you're going to click enter like this. And you're going to paste this in here. So it's going to be add underscore resource. Add underscore ace resource dot discord ace perms command dot add principal allow. Add ace resource dot discord ace perms command dot remove principal allow. Now that you have this in here, you're going to save it by clicking Control S. Now you can load to the server. As easy as that. You guys are completely done. The menu's done. Everything's done. So this is it, guys. Took me about 20 minutes. I did take some time on this. You guys can do this a lot quicker. This is about it. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to like and subscribe. I'll be posting tomorrow too. I might show you guys how to do ad rev. Actually, no video tomorrow. I'm sorry. We'll do one on Saturday about Discord Ace Perms. Again, to teach you guys how to add like the permissions to give people permissions. That's it. I mean, there's really nothing else to be said about it. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. Should I post notifications so you guys know when I put a new video out, I'll be teaching you guys how to add scripts, stuff like that. If you guys did enjoy, like I said, like and subscribe. That's it. Peace.